Grandpa's up on the boat right now. The boat is coming home for the winter. It is cold out today. Oh, I didn't dress for this. I'm freezing. I don't know. I don't think they've got it right. Here we go. Imagine Grandpa's inside the boat right now. I hope we see him soon. Ooh, I see water coming out of the boat. Those are the stands that they hold the boat up with. Oh, it's cold. Nana is cold. That's our rubbish. It's rubbish day. There's the inflatable dinghy, if you can see that. I don't see Grandpa. He's up there, though. I know he is. Here we go. I don't know how they get it off the truck. There's Grandpa. I told you he was there. I wish the rubbish man would come and take the rubbish away. It would be a better view, huh? Grandpa's going to have to, I don't know how he gets out of the boat. Maybe a ladder. Oh yeah, there's the ladder now. Oh, it's cold. Oh my God, I'm freezing. I don't have gloves on and I'm freezing. Okay, I have to go to work, so that's probably all I can show you. But they will take the boat off the trailer and they'll put stands to hold it in place, and then it'll be all set for the winter. Oh, here comes a school bus. You want to see a school bus? There's a school bus that takes the kids to school. Here's the donut shop. Oh, it's cold. I'm freezing. And now Grandpa's safe and off the boat, and now they're going to go through taking the boat off the trailer and onto the stanchions that hold it up. And with that, I have to go to work. Bye-bye.